Mr. Chairman, I'm drawing your attention to the absence of Manipur in the President's address. This is not a simple absence. It is a reminder of a Rashtra Chetna which excludes people. You must realize that more than 60,000 people are languishing in relief camp in wretched conditions for the last 1 year. 200 plus people died. And there has been a civil war-like situations where people are armed to the teeth and roaming around and fighting each other, defending their villages. And the Indian state is a mute spectator to this tragedy for 1 year. Our Prime Minister remained mute, not even a word. And the presidential address did not even mention that.
Shame.
I must ask these questions to the House. Is this silence communicating to the people of the Northeast, and Manipur in particular, that you don't matter in the Indian state's scheme of things? If you have an iota of concern for this state, there would not have been a silence. There would not have been a silence in this House, nor in the presidential address. And today, the Northeast remains outside of the history of the Indian history textbook. That is why you treat them as the other. The hurt, the anger has thrown a nobody like me to be part of this temple of democracy. Bidding the BJP cabinet minister think about the pain. If you hear an anxiety, anguish, and a pain in my voice, please go back and see those 60,000 people languishing in the relief camp. Don't talk about partition remembrance till you bring that. I would keep quiet the moment the Prime Minister opened his mouth and the Nationalist Party says that Manipur is part of India and we care for the people of that state. Only then I will accept what is nationalism in our face.
मणिपुर को आपने सिविल वॉर में डुबा दिया है। मणिपुर को आपने और आपकी योजनाओं ने, आपकी पॉलिटिक्स ने जला दिया है। आज तक हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री मणिपुर नहीं गए। हमने प्रधानमंत्री से कहा एक मैसेज दे दीजिए, मणिपुर चले जाइए, जनता की वहां रक्षा कीजिए। नहीं, आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, मिल नहीं सकता। मणिपुर इनके लिए हिंदुस्तान का प्रदेश ही नहीं है। मैं रिलीफ कैंप में गया, एक औरत कांपती हुई, रोती हुई मुझे कहती है, मेरे आंखों के सामने मेरे बच्चे को गोली मारी गई। ये आपकी योजनाओं का नतीजा है, आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए।
The Honorable President's address says that the government has increased allocation for the Northeast by 4 times, has worked for increased and lasting peace in the area. Now, I have one question. Why is the word Manipur nowhere in the speech? Why do we refer to the generic Northeast? During the Lok Sabha campaign, the BJP, the ruling party, the Honorable Prime Minister mentioned many words beginning with the letter M. Musalman, Mullah, Madrasa, Mughal, Mutton, Machli, Mujra, Mangal Sutra, but not once did they mention Manipur. We don't need to act east. The government says we want to act east. We don't need you to act east. Look east, walk east, and most important, embrace east. I stand here for my brothers and sisters of Manipur, and I quote the revolutionary poet Pablo Neruda. One morning the bonfires leapt out of the earth. One morning the bonfires leapt out of the earth, devouring human beings. And from then on the fire, from then on blood. Come, see the blood on the streets. Come, see the blood in the streets. Please go to Manipur, see the blood in the streets.
आज विश्व में